Mushrooms come in lots of different shapes, sizes, and colors. The ones that aren't toxic happen to be quite healthy and tasty too. For many years, they've been used for their unique ability to add flavor in lots of different cultures' cuisines. Although they're actually fungi, mushrooms are lumped in the vegetable category for cooking purposes. You can't go wrong with mushrooms. They're fat-free, low sodium, low calorie, and cholesterol-free. They're also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Nutritional benefits vary depending on the type of mushroom, but overall, they are a good source of the following nutrients. 1. Antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect the body from damaging free radicals that can cause conditions like heart disease and cancer. They also protect you against damage from aging and boost your immune system. Mushrooms are rich in the antioxidant called selenium. In fact, they are the best source of the mineral in the produce aisle. 2. Beta-glucan. Beta-glucan is a form of soluble fiber that's been strongly linked to improving cholesterol and boosting heart health. It can also help your body regulate blood sugar, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Oyster and shiitake mushrooms are believed to have the most effective beta-glucans. 3. B vitamins. Mushrooms are rich in the B vitamins, riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid. The combination helps protect heart health. Riboflavin is good for red blood cells. Niacin is good for the digestive system and for maintaining healthy skin. And pantothenic acid is good for the nervous system and helps the body to make the hormones it needs. 4. Copper. Copper helps your body make red blood cells, which are used to deliver oxygen all over the body. The mineral is also important to other processes in the body, like maintaining healthy bones and nerves. Even after being cooked, a 1-cup serving of mushrooms can provide about 1/3 of the daily recommended amount of copper. 5. Potassium. Potassium is extremely important when it comes to heart muscle and nerve function. There's about as much potassium in 2/3 of a cup of cooked portobello mushrooms as there is in a medium-sized banana. 6. Helps weight loss. Mushrooms contain a lot of fiber, and that helps in improving digestion and keeps the metabolism in check. Mushrooms do not contain any fat or carbohydrates, which means that you can easily include it in your diet plan. 7. Good for diabetics. Mushroom is a great source of chromium, which helps maintain blood sugar levels, further keeping a check on insulin, and thus it is a superfood for diabetics. They are also low in carbohydrates and fats. Mushrooms are incredibly versatile. You can prepare them in so many ways and pair them with tons of different ingredients. Slice them up raw and toss them in a salad. Grill them, sauté them, or roast them. Add them to soups, sandwiches, wraps, casseroles, and Italian dishes. Mushrooms work well as a side dish or as the main course for vegetarians. If you don't eat a lot of mushrooms now, they're definitely worth exploring.